Whoa, hold up. Did you know that a single solar panel can generate enough power to keep a laptop charged for an entire day, even on a cloudy one? It's true, but what if you want to power an entire off-grid cabin? Today, we're diving deep into the world of off-grid solar kits to find the perfect one for your escape. Forget the grid, because we're about to show you how to power your cabin from the sun. All the links are in the description. ECO-worthy 1.6 kWh complete solar panel kit 400W12V. The ECO-worthy 1.6 kWh kit is a powerhouse starter system that provides significant energy independence right out of the box. It's a true all-in-one package, including 4 100W monocrystalline panels, 2 100WH LiFePO4 batteries, and a powerful 2000W pure sine wave inverter, eliminating the need to go component hunting and ensuring compatibility. The inclusion of a high-efficiency MPPT charge controller and long-lasting lithium batteries gives it a serious performance boost over cheaper kits, maximizing solar harvest and battery lifespan. 1. It's perfect for running your essential cabin appliances like lights, a large TV, power tool chargers, and a small refrigerator for multiple days. The Bluetooth module is a super convenient bonus for monitoring your power input, output, and battery status right from your smartphone, providing invaluable real-time data. While the included manuals can be a bit tricky to follow for beginners, the exceptional value for money and the quality of the core components, LiFePO4 FPPT, is hard to beat, making this a fantastic, expandable choice for anyone ready to jump into a mid-size, reliable solar setup. EcoWorthy 200-watt 12V complete solar panel starter kit. If you're just starting out or have very basic light power needs, this 200W ECO-worthy kit is an ideal budget-friendly option and a great introduction to managing solar energy. It comes complete with 2 100W panels, a dedicated 100 AH LiFePO4 battery in many current bundles, and a 600W pure sine wave inverter, which is a significant plus for running sensitive electronics like media players and laptops safely. This system is perfectly sized for charging small devices, running an efficient mini fridge, and powering a set of LED lights in a small cabin. While its limited wattage means it might not handle high-power tools or large appliances, its low price and all-inclusive design make it a great gateway into off-grid living, allowing you to establish independence affordably. The use of a pure sine wave inverter ensures that the power quality is clean and won't harm your sensitive electronics. 2. Just be aware that some older versions of this kit use a less efficient PWM controller, and the instructions might require a little head scratching, but for basic, essential power, the convenience of the complete package outweighs these minor setup hassles. ExpertPower 30 kWh 7000 560 YW48V solar power system kit. This ExpertPower kit isn't for a weekend cabin. It's a full-on, power-everything solution designed for a full-sized home or a heavy-demand workshop. We're talking a massive 30 kWh of LiFePO4 battery storage, a powerful 10 kW inverter, and over 7,500 W of high-efficiency solar panels. This professional-grade system is built to power an entire home, including high-wattage 240V appliances like central air conditioners, electric water heaters, and large workshop tools. It's incredibly powerful and highly scalable, utilizing a 48V architecture, which is the industry standard for high-voltage residential systems, allowing you to add more components and panels as your needs grow. This is a serious investment that requires professional planning and installation due to the high voltage and complexity of wiring. However, if you're looking for total, uncompromised energy independence, a virtual utility company in a box, and a robust system that can handle anything you throw at it for decades, this reliable, high-capacity system is the one to choose. Renogy 200 watts, 12 volts, monocrystalline RV solar panel kit. Renogy is a name you can trust in the solar world, and this 200W starter kit shows why, prioritizing quality components over bundled electronics. It includes 2 100W monocrystalline panels and a charge controller, though it doesn't come with a battery or inverter. This strategic omission makes it ideal for those who want to build a system from the ground up, perhaps integrating it with an existing deep cycle battery in their RV or cabin. Renogy is known for its superior quality control, excellent documentation, and reliable customer support, which is a huge plus for beginners learning the ropes. The panels themselves are built with durable, heavy-duty aluminum framing for all-weather resilience, while the included PWM controller is less efficient than an MPPT controller. The kit is a straightforward, no-nonsense choice that provides low power needs and is easily expandable. The longevity of the panels and the wide availability of matching Renogy components mean you have a trusted path forward when you decide to upgrade your battery or switch to an MPPT controller later. Well worth a 1,200 solar tracker system. What if you could squeeze up to 40% more power out of your solar panels in the same area? That's the genius of the ECO-worthy 1200W solar tracker system. It's an ingenious dual-axis design that uses sensors to automatically follow the sun throughout the day, ensuring the panels are always positioned at the optimal angle, significantly boosting power generation compared to a fixed system. The system includes 6 195W bifacial panels, which capture light from both the front and back, further enhancing performance. It even has a built-in wind sensor to automatically flatten the array and protect itself from high winds. While the assembly is far more complex than setting up a fixed ground mount and the initial cost is higher, the significant boost in energy output and the space-saving, aesthetically pleasing design make it a fantastic choice for those who need to maximize their power production in a limited area or who live in sun-rich environments where the efficiency gains are maximized. This system turns a simple solar array into a sophisticated power plant. The winner. So which of these off-grid systems is the ultimate winner? While all of these products serve a purpose, there's one that stands out for offering the best combination of features, performance, and value for the average cabin owner. The ECO-worthy 1.6 kWh complete solar panel kit. Here's why: it strikes the perfect balance. It's a powerful all-in-one kit that includes everything you need right out of the box. Unlike the basic Renogy kit, it offers a powerful 2000W inverter, a high-efficiency MPPT controller, and crucial Leaf PO4 batteries, giving it a huge advantage in longevity and performance over the basic NCM or lead-acid kits 3. While it's not as massive as the ExpertPower system or as advanced as the solar tracker, its comprehensive nature, reliable components, and excellent price point make it the most logical and functional choice for a wide range of cabin applications. It gives you the power you need without the over-the-top cost or the complexity of a professional-grade setup. So what do you think? Did we pick the right winner? Let me know which of these kits you would choose for your off-grid cabin in the comments below. And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more great content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. All the links are in the description. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.